Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to display the date on your Casio GM-2100. This tutorial is going to work for all Casioaks that feature the module 5611. So as you can see, I have 2116 right here, which is going to be the digital time, and as you can see, it is matching the analog time. If I press the start button once, I will be able to read the month and the day of the month. So it is December the 15th. You won't be able to see the digital time and the date also at the same time, so you will be able to see the date here and to read the analog time. If you want to switch back to the digital time also, you are going to press the start button once again, and as you can see, we have 2117. So it is also featured there. In case your digital time does not match the analog time, you need to do your hand alignment. I have a full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio GM-2100, the Casioak, so make sure to check it out, link in the description box below guys. You'll be able to set everything on your Casioak, including using the chrono function, the alarm, and also the wall time, so make sure to check it out guys. Also, in case you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch even other guides about watches, vintage watches, and also watch reviews, make sure to be subscribed to this YouTube channel guys, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you on the next video.